Hello and welcome to this very short tutorial. Now I want you to notice something. If you look at the video, this is a scene I created for a project I'm working on, a music video actually. And if you look at the scene, you can see this is a particle system. It's a particle system I used to create the vegetation and rocks. If you notice, you can see some of them glittering, like they will twitch, like here. You see how they do. Now, for the longest time, I've tried to figure out. You can see it is this one that is doing it. For the longest time, I've tried to figure out how to fix this problem. In fact, I was just making this video to post it on a Facebook group, on a Blender Facebook group, to ask how it can be done, but just playing around with it before I posted the video, I discovered how to fix it. Just once you click on regrow, the whole fidgeting stuff stops. See? It goes smoothly. The shaky stuff stops, but once you check it, you see, it happens. It continues again. Not in this frame, but it's random. See? Look. It just starts up again. It starts twitching. It starts. Maybe the grass is too small. You can't see it. Let me just turn out. You click on regrow. Once it's there, it stops the fidgeting. Now this is the mountains or the big rocks here. It's going on and on. So I put the regrow. Once I check it to see what happened to the rocks. They are big enough so you can see when they start. See, another one's appeared. This one's changed. Look what's happening. They're all changing. Man, this was driving me crazy before, and I was working on this project and I have a deadline for the project, and it's actually a music video. So I was thinking, yeah, I'll just render it out, and my client will see it and was like, what's happening? Are the rocks lingers doing substitution jutsu or something? But see, they are twitching. But once you put this regrow on, look, it's fixed. They become their original self. They lose their ninja powers and stop doing the substitution jutsu stuff. And you see, it's now going smoothly. So I don't know. So if you like this kind of videos and you want more, leave a like and tell me, so whenever I'm working on projects and I come across problems like this, I can make a short video and post it online. Oh, and I want to be doing more of 3D, but I know PTSD is not something to joke about, but I have done so many bad projects in 3D. I get demotivated whenever I try to do 3D stuff. I feel it's going to be that bad, and I want to try it again. And most of my content, I want it to be in this kind of style, NPR, 3D, making it look 2D or something like that. So I'm gonna try to do more of it. And if you like it, you can also leave a like and tell me, yeah, or send me some encouragement. You can do it. I believe in you. Tatebaya and stuff like that. Have an awesome day. God bless.